Hi, Mark Croft here in Bangkok, and I am at Pantip Technology Mall because my laptop is starting to flake out on me and I need to get it repaired. So this is Pantip. It is a multi-level mall, and each floor has different things. I was actually in here a couple weeks ago getting my phone fixed, and it only cost $15, 500 baht, and they did it in an hour. I don't think my laptop's going to be that great of a deal, but hopefully they can fix it. This definitely is going to set me back on getting my software done and putting some videos together, so that's why I'm recording this now to explain to everybody what's going on, and I'll just upload this off of YouTube off my phone. But Pantip is a good place to find a large selection of things. Not necessarily the best place for prices on stuff, particularly if you're Farang. They will definitely hit you with the Farang prices if they can, but some of the stores actually have listed prices, so in that regard they're much better. And you can get computers and things like that at actually listed prices, published, they actually list prices displayed, so that's a much better thing to do. Anyways, I'm going to go upstairs, probably to the third, fourth, possibly fifth floor, and see if I can get my laptop fixed. If not, I will have to start shopping for a new laptop. Alright, sawadee krap. So I went to the first big computer store, told them what I had, and they walked me through into the back corridors to the guy who's going to fix it correctly. And he immediately recognized what to do, and he's digging into it. So that's what you do if you need something and you don't speak Thai. And even if you did speak Thai, you go to one of the other stores, and they know exactly where to take you, and they take you over to the right person and set you up. So I'm waiting here to see what happens with my laptop. Looks like it's the screen that's damaged, so probably have to get another one. They might have one in stock somewhere around here, but probably, I would guess, between everybody that's here, they probably can get one really quickly. But if they order one, it'll take a little bit, so we'll see. So he's got some extra screens around that he can use to test to see if the rest of the computer and the connections are working properly. And that's what he's doing. That's obviously not the screen for my computer. He's just checking to see where the problem is, if it's in my actual LCD, or in my actual screen, or if it's in the connector or the daughter board that connects between the computer and the screen. Alright, trying a different screen there. Well, it's having some problems, so it might be. Now, I don't know what that screen is he's using, whether it had that problem before or not, but this problem might be in my daughter board. Because it's getting a similar type of screen problem. Just a second, I'll do that. So another thing he can do is look to see if he's got another screen, another computer that he can put my screen on to check to see if my screen works correctly on another computer. That can help narrow down what the actual problem is, or also. And right now he's taking photos of the numbers. He's going to send those out to somebody else to get some more information if he needs, and maybe to order the parts. As all the people here, obviously repairing a computer requires a lot of different parts, a lot of different people, suppliers, and they get these from all over Thailand and then off to China as well. So even though you're dealing with a small businessman, you've got a large network of people working together to make it happen. Okay, so we just checked this extra screen he has here, pressed on it. It's not making the problem. If you pressed on my screen, it acts goofy, so it's probably the screen itself. This is a different screen. No problem there. So the connector's probably good, the daughter board's probably good. That means the screen's got a problem, and probably nothing else because it's not having the issue. Looks pretty good. All right, so he's got to find a screen for me where he can find it. So he's off now to go to the other expert person who has screens. He's going through this maze of this floor of Pantip looking for a screen for my computer, and I'm just gonna hang out here and wait for him. And that's basically what happened. You go in, you come into Pantip, the big store, ask them what they need. Somebody will figure out who they need to talk to, take you over there. You end up at one place. This guy is the expert on fixing laptops. He looks at what you got and figures it out, then runs over to somebody else or calls them, and they bring the exact part that you need, and you get your things fixed. So while I'm waiting for him to get the parts, I'm just walking down to the next booth. That's the booth where he's at, and checking out some other laptops. My friend's laptop is also not working. It's really old, so it's starting to have some problems. Thought about buying another laptop, and so I can get some pretty decent ones. There's a Pentium there. By the way, so if it's 6,000 baht, 1,000 baht is about $30. So six times 30 would be $180. Not too bad. You get Dell Inspirions here. All these are used, fixed up. An i3. That would be a major improvement for what my friend has. Could replace that for $200, and that would be a super gift. Their computer lasts only 12 years, so it would last him another 12 years probably. All right, so he went and got another screen, brand new screen, 3,000. Got a new screen, 3,900 baht. So 1,000 baht is $30. So it's gonna be about $90, a little more than $90. 100. Well, actually no, 3,000 baht would be about $100. So a little more than $100 to get this laptop fixed. It's a little pricey for fixing the laptop. Well, I mean, it's not pricey. It's actually a decent price on getting it fixed. But what I need, maybe I should buy another laptop. But another laptop's going to be $500-600. I think it's probably a good thing to do. And I might go and buy a second laptop anyways, because I don't want to be without a laptop to finish doing my work. And that would be a good thing. So, cool. I'm pretty happy. We'll get it done, and I'll have my laptop in just a few hours. That's a pretty cool thing about Thailand. I didn't bring enough cash. I need a little bit more, so... and she's waving me on, so I need to come this way. And I'm going to the ATM down here somewhere. Y'all get to see the different stores that you walk past. More laptops this way. More things for repairs. All kinds of parts. If I keep coming down this direction, she said, oh, I see. I think she said she wants me to go down here, outside probably, to the ATM. Let me ask. ATM? Over there. Okay. So apparently there's an ATM on this floor. try to make it easy for people to spend their money. More cool stuff, microphones and speakers, sound equipment type stuff. Here we go. Here we go. ATM. So here's the ATM. I got my Thai baht. The service fee was 220 baht, which is a little more than $6. So I took out a pretty big amount, and it's a little pricey. I wish I had actually brought more baht and not getting hit with the ATM fees. But so I took out as much as I could, though. So I'm going back now, and we're gonna. Hopefully it'll be done by the time I get back. Looks like it's put in there, and I can give it a test. So I'll test this out, and it should be done, I'm guessing. Well, so far it looks like it's working just fine. We'll see a little bit here. Not sure how we figure it, other than touching some of this, wiggling it. Looks like it's. We'll let me give it a try. But I think it's fixed, and it was less than an hour. That's pretty awesome. You can't do that in most places in the United States. So he's giving it a good dust cleaning there. It was pretty dusty. Important to do. So if you are in Bangkok, you do what I did, and if you think that you might need a notebook repair, you can try to come right here, AP computer, but somebody will guide you to the right place, and then the network of people connect everything together, and you get your stuff in 1 hour and quite a reasonable price, and with a smile. All right, now it's time for me to go back, get on the Kwangtan, the boats, and get back to what I was doing.